Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the Blackbox AI tutorial and how to use Blackbox AI to build a website. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Blackbox AI. From the search results, click on the first link to open the official Blackbox AI website. Once the website opens, click on Get Started for free at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to continue with Google, so click that option and select the Google account you want to use. Then click Continue to proceed. Next, if you check the available plans, you will see a Pro plan at $10 per month, Pro Plus plan at $20 per month, and Pro Max at $40 per month. For yearly subscriptions, the price are Pro at $8 per month, Pro Plus at $16 per month, and Pro Max at $33 per month. Now go back and click again on Get Started for free at the top right corner. Once inside the dashboard, you will see several options such as a new chat, history, remote agent, features, and API keys. Here, you can also select AI models to use. Available models include GPT 5.2, Grok 4, Cloud Sonnet 4.5, and many more. Keep in mind that some models require specific subscription plans, so you may need to upgrade if you want to access them. Now, to build a website, you can type a prompt like build an airport's website. Once you enter your request, Blackbox AI will start generating the website code automatically. You can scroll down to review all the generated code, which you can then copy, modify, or directly use for your website. This makes it easy to quickly create functional websites without manually coding everything from scratch. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.